Hello and welcome to today's myminimaths.co.uk video tutorial. And today we're going to be writing numbers written in words as digits. So the very first thing we need to do is to write all of the column titles. So we've got our units, our tens, our hundreds, our thousands and our 10,000s. And so on to question 1. And whenever we have a large number or a number written out in words, it's really important to look at what I call the family of thousands. So we're going to have a look at how many thousands we have written in question 1, and you can clearly see that that's 62. So we'll look at our thousands here. This is our thousands family here, and we have 62, so we're going to place 62. There's our 62 thousands. We have our single thousands here, and we have our 10,000s here, and then we're going to look at the remainder of the number, which is 11, and 11 is written as a 10 and a unit, and quite clearly there are no hundreds to be had. So the way we write 62,011 is 62011, and the key point is this here. Okay, it has no value, but it's so important that you include that, so it allows the 2 and the 6 to sit in the correct columns to make our family of thousands. And next we're on to question 2. Okay, and this time we're going to need an extra column, the 100,000s. Okay, so let's have a little look at our question, and again we have 818,000. So there's our family of thousands, and we know that the 100,000s, the 10,000s and the single thousands come in that family. So again, 818,000. So I'm going to write my 818 in those thousand columns, and then look at the rest of the number, because everything fits around those thousands, of 427. So I've got 427. Okay, so your digits should show 818427, 818,427. Thank you very much for listening today, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon. Take care.